Word Project 6, Formatting and Editing a Resume. In this project, you're going to change some fonts, font styles, and font sizes. You're going to align some text. You're going to use a format painter, which is a really cool thing. And you're going to format a bulleted list. Here's our story. Will is a sophomore at New Mexico University, majoring in education. He wants to work this summer as a camp counselor to gain personal leadership skills and to teach kids his favorite outdoor activities. Before Will begins his summer job search, though, he needs to finish his resume. Well, let's help Will out. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Word Project 6 from the folder containing your data files. Word Project 6. Opened it up. Now I'm going to click on the title bar here, drag it all the way over until that box appears, and boom, Windows made it half screen. Nifty. So I opened it up. Next, I want to save it as Barnetta Resume XXX. File, save as. Now I need to make sure I'm putting it in the correct folder. I'm going to click once in here and it highlights everything. I want to save it as Barnetta Resume. My initials are ADE. Word will automatically append the file extension .docs. So I will click save. And we're ready for step 2. Change the font for the entire document to Colibri. So I need to select the entire document first. I will use Control A in this case. I'll go up here to the font, click one time, type in Colibri, and hit enter. Ready for step 3. Center align the 5-line address block at the top of the document. So I need to get this thing selected. I'm going to click up here at the top, hold down Shift, and then do down arrows. So I have it selected. They want me to center align it. So we'll go up here and click the center align button. Step 4. Increase the font size of the text Will Barnetta. It is found in the first line of the document. I'll click 3 times. They want it to be 18 points. Click once, 18, enter. Next, change the font size of the next 4 lines to 11 points. So I'll click once to put my cursor there, click and drag 11 points. Step 5. Use the format painter to copy the format of the education heading. And we're going to apply that formatting to some other places. So here's my education heading. And they want to apply it to work experience right here. And they want to apply it to special skills and to references. So, the format painter is a nifty tool. What you do is you select something that you want to copy the formatting from. So in this case, education is bold and it's 14 points and it's a Colibri font, and I want that formatting to be for work experience as well. So if I can click it one time here, and now whatever I select will be magically changed to match. But notice my Format Painter button is turned off now. means I'm done. If, however, I select my education and I double click, he's turned off, double click, then he should be permanently stuck on. There we go. We'll see if it works. I want to format paint special skills. And see, it did not turn off that time. I'll double click references. And it's stuck on now. Since I double clicked, it's stuck on until I turn it off. So I can format paint to my heart's content, make everything bold. Cool. So I got work experience, special skills, and references are all matching. Step 6. In the work experience section, italicize the text resident assistant and customer service associate. Control I for italics. Here's customer service associate. Control I. Step 7. Format the 3 lines under the resident assistant heading. Three lines. Format them as a bulleted list. So I'm going to go up here to the bullets and click on the button. Step 8. Replace the bulleted list under the special skills heading with the following bulleted list: certified in first aid and experienced horseback rider. Step 9. Create a custom top margin of 0.75 so the document will fit on one page. Looks like we're pushed over to 2. So I'm going to change this top margin. And margins are found in the page layout tab of the ribbon because all of these things affect how text is laid out on the page. So I'm on page layout and they want a custom margin. Word offers a number of predefined margins, but I'm going to make my own by typing something in. And they want the top margin changed. So I have a top, bottom, left, and right. If I push the up arrow, it makes the number bigger, so it makes the margin wider. Push down, it makes the margin smaller. If I click inside, I can type 0.75. Okay. It looks now like my resume fits on one page. So here you go, Will. Looks like your objective is to find a position as a camp counselor. You have gone to New Mexico University and Mountain View High School. Ooh, he's a resident assistant at college. He's an RA. I'd be ready to get some smoothies. That'll come in handy at camp. Looks like he's pretty smart too. He's got a 3.6 GPA. Well, it'll help you have fun at camp. Let's save and get out of here.